Guys, and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can perform reverse Google image search on your DOOGEE T10. So, in the default style of this device, we don't have a Google Lens feature, so it's a little bit more complicated, but don't worry. In the first step, we have to open the the web browser, and go to the google.com, like here. And now it's very important step, click on the 3-dot icon and switch your web browser to the desktop side. It's necessary, so remember that. Now just click on the camera icon and choose upload a file. Allow permissions to gallery, choose the photo that you want to search in the Google, like this one, and click on this and done. And now whole person starting automatically, and now we're looking in the similar or exactly same photo in the Google image database. You can see there we have a exactly same photo like ours. That's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe, a comment, and goodbye.